In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate reminders in Monday.com. Having automatic reminders set up in Monday.com is a great way to make sure you never miss an important task or deadline. Instead of manually checking dates every day, you can let Monday.com do the heavy lifting and send you a notification exactly when you need it. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through creating a simple date-based reminder automation that notifies you or someone on your team when a specific date arrives on your board. First, open the board where you want to set up your reminder. This could be a projects board, a content calendar, a sales pipeline, or any board that has a date column you want to track. At the top of the board, look for the Automate option in the toolbar. Go ahead and click on Automate. This is where all of Monday.com's automation recipes and templates live. Once the Automation Center opens, you'll see different options and categories. To start building your own, click on the Create button. This usually appears as a prominent button inside the automations area and is your entry point to setting up a new rule that the system will follow automatically. After clicking Create, you'll be shown a list of automation recipes. These are pre-built patterns you can customize. Look for the one that says, "When date arrives, notify user," or "When date arrives, notify someone." This recipe is designed exactly for reminders based on dates in your board. Click on that option to select it. Now you'll be taken into a setup view for this template. Here, click on Use Template and then simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically choose which date column you want the automation to watch, such as a due date or deadline column. You can usually specify when the reminder should be sent, for example, on the date itself or a set number of days before. You'll also choose who should be notified, like the item's owner, a specific person, or a team. Take a moment to customize the notification message so it's clear and helpful. For example, you might include the item name and the due date, along with a short call to action. When you're happy with the settings, save the automation. From that point on, Monday.com will automatically send reminders based on the rules you just created, helping you and your team stay on top of what matters most.